It is a virtue to be able to give a small example of goodness in this short span of life. Father SHYJU reminds us that the thrash could be useful for goodness, reflection, and creativity. In the modern lifestyle of humans, paper cups are the symbols of the throwaway culture. Tea jars are destined to the thrash even when used for drinking water. SHYJU Thomas is a simple example of making his leisure creative and productive. The spare time he gets from his busy life schedule is converted to gems that make the person and the environment better, ornamented and refined. He makes use of the possibility of the paper glasses to plant flower plants. He does this by mixing the sand with the soil. These plants are then watered twice a week. He also impresses us with his craftsmanship by ornamenting bottles with color. The focus is on the beautiful artwork on the bottles, which are made exclusively from thrash.